welcome back to my channel Shreeya Tamanna. So today I will show my Barbie fridge. So here is my Barbie fridge. And let's open the doll first. It's a waterproof toy, see here. So let's open first the Barbie. See what it's have. It's so pretty. It have a hairstyle. Barbie. It's have a dress. It have a shoe. They're so pretty. I love this doll. And let's open the fridge. So here is the fridge of Barbie. So this is a waterproof toy. So we need some water also to play. First I will show water in the fridge. Then I will show why we need water. So this is a can. It's squeezy. And a mini jug. Can you see? Nothing is there, no water. Can you see it? It's a mini jug. See, I'm looking. You can see me? So now let's check what is here. Egg. My favorite. And Barbie's favorite also. Wow, a butterfly cake. I love butterflies, but I love Barbie cake. Oh. One mini glass. Wow, so cute. So let's play. So how to use the water? First keep inside the water. Then keep it like this. Keep the jug. Then press. It will come here and in the glass pour it. So let's start. For that I have water also here. Can you see water is there? See how I'm looking. So let me. Coming. The water has come. Here for pouring on the jug. See, you can see. Let me see. Water here. I think some more water we need. Let me keep. Can you see, guys? Wow, it's done. Water came down also. We'll clean it. I cleaned. So it's clean. Now more we need water because the jug is not full. We need the jug to be full because Barbie loves water a lot. Means my Barbie. Oh. So here is my can. We pour more. Some we need. More some. Wow, it's full. Wow, slowly. See, water came up. Let me drink. Wow. Cool. Guys, here is the jug. Let's pour some water. See. We drink the water. See, it's good water I brought. Now it's time for Barbie to drink. You're thinking how it will hold. I'll show you the trick. It's a magic. So I'm giving you Barbie your glass. So Barbie, take it. So Barbie will drink it now. See, Barbie can hold. See, water is then inside. See, your water is then. See, there. See, guys. Oh, it's falling more there. So you'll see Barbie will drink. So something is here. So it's drink. Missy, did it finish? Oh, it finished. So let me keep this one. Let's keep it. Let's keep all in the place. So the water fell on the bed sheet. So yeah, my doll, tell bye 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 bye. So thank you everyone for seeing my video, and please subscribe, like and share my channel. Bye.